The Digi EX15 is an all-in-one branch connectivity solution. It can support both a wired WAN and cellular WAN, and its scalable cellular technology allows you to match speeds to applications and future-proof your network. Once we open the EX15, we're presented with a label like the one you'll find on the bottom of the device. We also have the Getting Started instructions that point you to the Digi website. This is where you can find the quick start and user guides. Let's take a look at the Digi EX15 unit first. On the top, we have the LEDs to show which SIM card or cards are inserted, as well as indication of the Ethernet connections, ports 1 and 2. Opposite these are LEDs for the cellular connection and its signal strength. Turning the device to its side, we have our Ethernet ports, one for LAN and PoE and the other for WAN. If needed, the configuration can be changed from LAN to WAN or vice versa. There's also the serial port and DC power port. Lastly, the recessed buttons here. One is labeled SIM, which allows you to manually switch SIM cards, and the erase button, which will either factory reset the device or some configuration settings, or it will revert to the previous firmware version. On the last side, we have the cavity that holds the Digi core plug and cellular modem. On the bottom of the unit, we have the device label, which is where you'll find its default password, MAC address, and serial number. The next item in the box is the Digi core plug and modem. This particular model is the 1003-CM07-OUS, which is a LTE Cat 7 modem. It supports MIMO cellular connections and a single GPS connection. It comes with a couple screws for securing the modem in place, as well as an installation guide. There are dual SIM slots for cellular failover that support the Mini 2 FF size SIM card. This white clip that is attached is used for inserting and removing the modem from the router. Moving on, we have the AC power supply, which supports 18 volts, 1 amp of power. It has a barrel-type connection. Since our Digi core plug and modem uses MIMO cellular connections, we have two cellular antennas here. These use a SMA male connector. They are about 8 inches long from where they bend at a 90-degree angle. In this little baggie here, we have a few modem plate covers. Just select the appropriate one for the Digi core plug and modem you're using with your EX15. Next are some mounting pieces and mounting bracket. Then we have the 9-volt battery pack, which can be used to perform a site survey with the device. In other words, use this to walk around with your EX15 to find the best signal location. Lastly, there are Ethernet cables and a PoE injector for alternative power. And you also have alternate plugs for the AC power supply in case you need something for using it outside North America. That completes our unboxing of the Digi EX15. Check it out at 5gstore.com today. We hope you found this video helpful and welcome you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.